Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at the Decent Wallet, exploring its features and functionality based on my own usage. You can find more information on their official website, https://www.decentwallet.com/en. The Decent Wallet distinguishes itself with a focus on security and a user-friendly design. It's designed to be a secure haven for your digital assets, providing a robust platform for managing and storing your cryptocurrencies. My time using the wallet has shown me that it offers a streamlined experience, making it easy to navigate the sometimes complex world of crypto. A key aspect of the Decent Wallet is its emphasis on security. Employing advanced security measures, it aims to safeguard your crypto holdings from potential threats. This dedication to security is a crucial element for anyone serious about protecting their investments. From my perspective, the security features give a good sense of reassurance. Beyond security, the Decent Wallet prides itself on its intuitive interface. It's built to be accessible to users of all levels, from beginners just starting their crypto journey to seasoned veterans. I found the interface clear and well organized, which definitely makes it easier to manage your crypto portfolio. Navigating the Decent Wallet's website, you'll find a wealth of information about its functionalities and features. They provide comprehensive details about the wallet's capabilities and how it can enhance your crypto management. Based on my own experience, the website offers a good overview of what the wallet brings to the table. The Decent Wallet's dedication to both security and usability makes it a compelling option in the crowded crypto wallet space. While your individual needs might vary, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a secure and user-friendly way to manage your digital assets. My experience with the wallet has been generally positive, and I believe it's a viable solution for many crypto users. Remember to always do your own research before making any financial decisions.